Hi, welcome to My Cherokee Plate. These videos are an initiative of the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians Tribal Food Distribution, our Public Health and Human Services Department, and the USDA's FDPNE program. And today we're going to make tropical chicken. It's a wonderful one-pot meal that is really good to serve with burritos or by itself, and it's just very, very simple and yummy. So I've already put the tropical seasoning on the chicken, and these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And tropical seasoning is lime zest, cilantro, turmeric, paprika, and other spices that you can just buy it pre-made, or you can use Jamaican jerk chicken depending on, who you're serving it to. So this has been sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour, just marinating. And then I'm going to go ahead and prep the other vegetables. So this is ginger. You can either use a peeler or you can use the tip of your spoon to just kind of get about an inch's worth of ginger shaved. And then once you get all this paper off of it, then dice it up. I already have my onions diced. I use about a cup, and my garlic diced. The other ingredients I have here today are 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk, and 2 cans of low-sodium kidney beans. And then 2 cups rice, which cooked will make about 4 cups. And then 2 cans of rinsed and drained kidney beans, low sodium. Okay, so all of this is already set, so we're gonna move over and I'll begin browning the chicken. Okay, it smells so good. I think it's done. I went ahead and made a side salad to make it my Cherokee plate so that half of my plates are fruits and vegetables. Ready? Let's see how it looks. Ooh, it looks so good. Let's go ahead and serve it up. So if you wanted to do this with cauliflower rice, you would just add less liquid to your serving, and then cook the chicken a little bit more ahead of time. And it's ready to serve. And this is really good served with tortillas. Next day makes great burritos, but it's perfect just the way it is. And there's only 1 pot to clean up. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how you like it. We'll see you next time.